What's up, everybody? My name is Eric B.L.A.N. Today we're going to be talking about branding yourself and how do you brand yourself. One part about branding yourself is understanding of who you are. So obviously your truck and your cars are obviously logoed, your vans, whatever it is. But t-shirts, wearing your t-shirts around. So give you an idea, this is like a Saturday shirt that I like wearing. It still says our logo on it. And then also on back, it's not too sales pitchy, but you can still see the logo, right? Branding is everything. I have another shirt like that, which is like right here. This one here is obviously see the back and on the front. Here's a baseball shirt. Just asked me about our $125 window cleaning on there. This is another Saturday shirt is what I call these. Okay, with the logos on it. These are more work. I wear those to work too, but I wear these ones, especially if I'm soft washing. Same thing. A little different style, variation. I never leave the house without having something something logoed on about B.L.A.N. services. These here are long sleeve pullovers. They're like workout shirt type ideas. Those are nice in the spring. Same here on the back as well. Hoodies. Hoodies are very nice here in Michigan. You can wear these all year round. Hoodie on the head there. This is a non-hooded sweatshirt. Real comfortable. I love that one. This one's real nice too. It's an Under Armour. I love the style of this. Very thin. Very nice. This is another one. This is the old logo that we have. We no more represent that logo, but we do have the B.L.A.N. services still here. I like the hoodie. It's comfortable. Another hoodie here. Just a different color on there. Variation. I don't mind that color. I wish I did it and had it done in white though. I just wanted something different because I always have blue and white. See how much better that shows up. Look. Contrast. But it's fun. Wear it out doing yard work or whatever. And here's this one, same as the other one right here. So there's two. But these ones here have the window cleaners on the sleeve, so when you're driving, you're able to see that. And on the other side, if you're looking in, you're doing something that says, I forget what it says actually. Oh, I'm sorry, B.L.A.N. services. So there you guys go. So the key of showing you all this is make sure that you brand yourself. No matter what you're doing, make sure you have your jackets branded. Make sure you have hats that are branded. I have hats, I have coats, I have Carhartts, I have you name it, we take care of it. Gloves even say our names on it, so it's awesome. I love you guys. Don't forget to brand your business. We'll talk to you soon. See you guys.